in our previous interview, you mentioned that Urdu language was forced upon all the in Pakistan, like on Balochis, Sindhis, and Bengalis as national language. So, if we do not have a national language, how can we communicate, and how would this work?
Switzerland has French, it has German, it has Italian,
Yeah.
and I believe it has a fourth language called Roman or Romana or something like that.
Okay.
And all languages in Switzerland, all of them have legal status as languages of the country, all of them. And there is no disunity because of language. The Swiss people are united, they have a stable state, and they have a political system that has achieved a meritable political stability in Switzerland. So I don't see that if you don't have a language that everybody recognizes as a state language, that will be a disuniting force, because Switzerland demonstrates that you can have a state with a plural society, with plural languages, and yet be a united state.
Yep, that's right.
This is one of the mistakes that Muhammad Ali Jinnah made when he arrived in Dhaka, and he gave that speech declaring that Urdu was the national language of Pakistan. And that was really a big mistake that he made. And Pakistan paid the price for that mistake and other mistakes several years later.